In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Victoria Plumbing discount promo code. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Victoria Plumbing discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. So you can see right here we have a list of different type of promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount of any order, you can simply tap right here to show coupon code. And this is the promo code that you can use in order to get a 10% discount of any order. Also going back to our main search right here, scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find this website which is called wordtraining.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes, as you can see, that we can use to get some discounts right here. So, for example, if you want to get this one with a free shipping, all you need to do is just simply tap right here to show code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap right here to copy this promo code and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that free shipping. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.